Hi everyone, Jeff Spira here. I wanted to just show you this video that Jim Ritchie sent me of his Tillamook. He's coming in from some kind of choppy water out in the Cape Cod sort of area and into this little cove to bring his boat back to this protected area where he lives. So thought you'd enjoy watching this Tillamook.
How was it?
Oh, it's so much better than other boats. It's sturdy as hell.
Okay, well that's it, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and put any comments you may have down below. And also feel free to drop by my website, which is, the link is right down below here. And we'll talk to you as soon as I get the next video. Thank you for watching.